In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your cPanel password with HostGator, a process that will ensure your hosting account remains secure. Let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser. In this case, we'll be using Google Chrome, but feel free to use whichever browser you're most comfortable with. Once you've opened Chrome, head over to your HostGator customer portal, which is the central hub for all your account management needs. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to do so with your existing account credentials. This will give you access to all the features and settings you need to navigate. Once you're logged in, take a look at the navigation menu. You're going to want to find the section labeled Billing. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, select My Products. This is where HostGator organizes all the services you're subscribed to, making it straightforward to manage multiple products if you have them. Now, amongst the products listed, find your hosting account. Clicking on it will open up a detailed view, allowing you to manage various aspects of your hosting plan. HostGator's interface at this point is designed to help you make changes easily, so take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're new to the portal. In this detailed view, look for something that refers to cPanel settings. This section will generally contain various options related to your hosting configurations. Your goal here is to locate and click on Reset Password. This action will set the stage for updating your cPanel password, an essential step in maintaining the security and integrity of your websites. You'll be prompted to enter a new password for your cPanel. I found that creating a strong password is crucial for protecting your account from unauthorized access. A good password is typically a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure it's something you haven't used elsewhere and is not easily guessable. Once you've decided on a new robust password, carefully enter it into the provided field. After entering your new password, you'll usually find a button or link to confirm or save your changes. Click this to finalize the password reset process. HostGator will update its records, ensuring that your hosting environment is equipped with the latest security measure. Once saved, it's a good idea to test the new password right away. Head over to cPanel and try logging in using the password you just set. If everything goes smoothly, you should now have full access to cPanel with your updated credentials. With that, you've successfully reset your cPanel password on HostGator. This simple yet crucial task ensures your hosting environment remains secure, letting you focus on building and managing your online presence. Remember to store your new password somewhere safe and consider using a password manager for added security. Thanks for following along, and keep your hosting account safe.